This is a tutorial on how to give, like, someone just wanted an explanation on how to add more sound effects to a character. Specifically, they wanted to add the HYESSS of Captain Falcon to every move. So first, you're going to have to open Smash Attacks. File open. You won't get that error. That was just because of nothingness. Go to where you have your character files and open up fitcaptain.pack. Remember, Smash Attacks cannot open fit motion pack. So, sub actions. ICE. This is special N. Oh wait, it's up B that has the HYESSS sound. So just go down until you get special high. Or is it when he catches? Yeah, I think it is. So go down to sound effects. Sound effect 53, copy. And then just proceed to put it on every animation that attacks. So let's go to 0. Just to test it, I'm going to put it on attacks. Just the A combo. So his A combo, I'll just put it there because that will be the easiest for you to hear it. I don't know, just crap. Anyway. So yeah, that's all you have to do. It's that sound effect 53. Save this file, like fit captain HYESSS.pack. That sound effect again is sound effects 53. So that's just a quick tutorial requested by someone. And if you have any questions, I can make you a quickie tutorial like this to figure out anything. So thanks for watching and enjoy modding Brawl.